Hello learners, in today's session I am going to deal with part 2 of the lesson The Invention of Vita Vogue. So before I read and explain you part 2 of this lesson, let me summarize part 1. Mr. Willy Wonka was a scientist who has invented Wonka White, which makes people younger. But it was such a powerful medicine that many people disappeared. One person became minus 87. It means that he has to wait for 87 years to be seen again. So, Willy Wonka decided to invent a new medicine which could make people old. He wanted to know the oldest living things in the world. What lived longer than anything else? He asked his assistant. His assistant, Charles, named some trees. But the next question was which tree it was. It was certainly not the fir, oak, or cedar. It was a tree called Bristol cone that grew in Nevada, USA. Those trees are 4,000 years old. Then Wonka got into his great glass elevator and rushed all over the world. He collected special items from the old living things. He took a pint of sap from a 400-year-old Bristol pine tree and the toe-nail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer, an egg of a 200-year-old tortoise, then the tail of a 51-year-old horse, and then whiskers of a 36-year-old cat, then the tail of a 207-year-old giant rat, the black teeth of 97-year-old grimalkin, and the knuckle bones of a 700-year-old cataloo. So here ends part 1. So now let us see part 2. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonka went on. I tracked down. Track down is found by searching for it. Very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. A hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped from between its toes while it was sleeping. Ounces, a unit of measurement. Mr. Willy Wonka continued telling his story of invention to Charlie. He told Charlie that he had found old and ancient living beings which were located in different parts of the world. He had taken little bit of something from each of them which was important for making a new product or a new invention. He took a little bit of a hair and a part of an eyebrow, an ounce or two of the jam between the toes of the living beings, which was taken when they were sleeping. I tracked down the whistle pig, the bobolink, the shrock, the polyfrog, the giant curlicue, the stinging slug, and the venomous squircle who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards away. But there's no time to tell you about them all now, Charlie. So here, Mr. Willy Wonka found the whistle pig, the bobolink, the shrock, the polyfrog. You can see the images here, children. The giant curlicue, the stinging slug, and the venomous squircle. All these he told about all these animals, and he also said that he did not had time to tell more about them, but he added that venomous squircle could spit poison right into a person's eye from 50 yards away. He said that he had no time to tell about all these animals. Let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my inventing room, I produced one tiny cupful of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. So here bubbling is making bubbles and volunteer is someone who agrees to take part in something and he is a part of the crowd. So here he concluded saying that After lots of boiling, bubbling, mixing, and testing in his inventing room, he produced only one tiny cup, small tiny cup of oily black liquid, and he gave 4 drops of it to brave 20 years old Oompa Loompa. So, who is this Oompa Loompa, children? Yes, this he is a Oompa Loompa is a dwarf or short person, and this particular term Oompa Loompa, it was coined by the author Roald Dahl in order to indicate a particular race of people who did hard labor of making chocolate in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, right? And he gave that Mr. Willy Wonka gave 4 drops of this particular liquid to 20 years old Oompa Loompa, who volunteered to test on him as how it works. What did happen? Charlie asked. It was fantastic. Fantastic means awesome or amazing, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he began wrinkling. Wrinkling means causing lines or folds in something, especially fabric or the skin, and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. So here shriveling refers to causing wrinkles, especially due to loss of moisture. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wonk invented. So here, Charlie was very much excited and asked what was the result of it. Mr. Wonka, in excitement, said that whatever happened, it was fantastic. He said, Charlie, that the moment the Oompa Loompa swallowed the oily black liquid, he started getting wrinkles on his face and he started getting contracted like an old man. His hair started dropping off, his teeth fell out. Soon he became 75 years old. This means that after swallowing 4 drops of oily black liquid, Oompa Loompas' age had gone from 20 years to 75 years. So finally, Mr. Willy Wonka succeeded in inventing Vita Wonk. Right, children? So now let me summarize this part 2. Mr. Wonka, he went round the world. He took an important little bit of something from every old and ancient animal. Among them was the venomous squircle. It could spit poison into the eyes of a person from 50 yards away. In the end, he did lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in his inventing room. Then Wonka produced a cupful of oily black liquid. He gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old volunteer, that is Oompa Loompa. The moment he swallowed it, he began wrinkling and shriveling up all over. His hair started dropping off and his teeth started falling out. The volunteer, Oompa Loompa, who swallowed 4 drops of oily black liquid, became a man of 75 years old. So, this is how Mr. Willy Wonka invented Vita Wonk. I hope you all have understood the lesson, children. Is it clear? Thank you.